Alright kids, check this out. Some Hyway Bandit tried to jack my stuff. Watch yourself when you're out there trying to make those super great shots. Somebody might try and take your stuff. So maybe we'll give him the benefit of the doubt. He was trying to be a good citizen. But maybe he was just trying to hijack my camera. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check out the video that I was making. BA Life-Adelic. See you later.